Welcome back to AlJazari channel. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of centrifugal casting. If you are passionate about how industries produce perfectly round metal components with incredible strength and precision, stick around, because centrifugal casting is the answer. So, what exactly is centrifugal casting? It's a manufacturing process where molten metal is poured into a spinning mold. The centrifugal force generated by the spinning pushes the metal toward the mold walls, creating hollow or cylindrical shapes that are incredibly strong and free of impurities. This process is widely used to make cylindrical parts like pipes, internal combustion engine liners, and bushings. Centrifugal casting is a go-to method when high precision and durability are essential. First, the process starts by preparing the mold. The mold is typically made of metal or graphite, and it's lined with a heat-resistant material, like sand or ceramic, to prevent the molten metal from sticking to the surface. These molds are placed on a machine that spins them at high speeds. Next, the metal is melted in a furnace until it reaches a molten state. Depending on the application, materials like steel, cast iron, aluminum, or copper alloys are commonly used. Once the metal is ready, it's carefully poured into the rotating mold. Here's where the magic of centrifugal casting happens. As the mold spins at high speeds, centrifugal force pushes the molten metal outward, making it spread evenly along the mold walls. This ensures the metal forms a perfectly round shape while pushing any impurities, like gas or slag, to the inner surface. After the required volume of molten metal is poured inside the mold, it's left to cool and solidify. As the mold continues to spin during cooling, the metal forms a dense, high-quality structure with fewer defects compared to other casting methods. There are actually three types of centrifugal casting processes: true centrifugal casting, semi-centrifugal casting, and centrifuge casting. Let's take a quick look at each one. In true centrifugal casting, the mold is shaped like a cylinder and rotates horizontally or vertically. This method is used to produce hollow parts like pipes, tubes, and rings. Semi-centrifugal casting is used when the part is not hollow. The mold spins, but the metal fills the entire cavity, producing solid parts like gears or flywheels. In centrifuge casting, the mold contains multiple cavities, and the molten metal is pushed into these cavities by centrifugal force. This is great for producing smaller parts like rings or discs. Centrifugal casting offers several advantages that make it a popular choice in industries like aerospace, automotive, and energy. Firstly, it produces parts that are much denser and stronger than those made by other casting methods. Second, the centrifugal force eliminates impurities, making the metal structure more uniform. Third, because the metal is pressed against the mold walls, the surface finish is excellent and requires minimal post-processing. And lastly, it's a very efficient process that allows for rapid production of high-quality parts, saving both time and costs. You'll find centrifugal cast products in a wide range of industries. For example, it's used to create large-diameter pipes for oil and gas transport, engine components like cylinder liners and brake drums, turbine blades for power generation, and even in the food and beverage industry for machinery parts. And that's the centrifugal casting process. It's a fantastic method for producing strong, high-quality cylindrical parts quickly and efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AlJazari channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more exciting manufacturing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.